In this video, we are going to learn about quadratic equations. Exercise number 1, question number 2. Represent the following situations in the form of a quadratic equation. So here in the second bit, he given some questions and he is asking to represent the situations in the form of a quadratic equation. So the general form of quadratic equation is nothing but ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, where a should not be equal to 0. If it is a is 0, it is not a quadratic equation. Other than it is a quadratic equation. So a, it should not be 0. So now see here, the area of a rectangular plot is 528. So he given the area of a rectangular plot, that is 528 meters square. Okay, the length of the plot is 1 meter more than twice its breadth. We need to find the length and breadth of the plot. So length is 1 meter more than twice its breadth. Let the breadth be x. Length it becomes what is the condition he given? Length is 1 meter more than twice its breadth. So twice its breadth is nothing but 2x. 1 meter is extra. So therefore breadth b is nothing but x, length l is nothing but 2x plus 1. So now we know that area is equal to, area is equal to 528. So area is nothing but length into breadth, that is equal to 528. So here what is the length here? 2x plus 1. What is the breadth? X, that is equal to 528. Okay, now here multiply these two. 2x into x, 2x square. 1 into x is nothing but 1x, that is equal to 528. Now we bring here to left side, 2x square plus 1x minus 528, that is equal to 0. Okay, now here it is in the standard form, ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. In this question, just he was asking to represent the following situations in the form of a quadratic equation. So up to here solving is enough. Okay, thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel for regular updates. In this second bit, we have completely 1, 2, 3, 4 questions are there. Okay, this is the first question. I will explain for you second question also. So represent the following situations in the form of quadratic equations. That's all. Only representing in the form of quadratic equation is enough. The product of two consecutive positive integers is 306. So we need to find the integers. So just representing is enough in this situation. The product of two consecutive positive integers. So let the two positive integers, consecutive positive integers be, one is x plus 1. Its product is 306. X into x is nothing but x square. X into 1 is nothing but x, that is equal to 306. If you bring it to left side, so now it is in standard form, ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Therefore it is a quadratic equation. It is a QE. So like that, just we have to represent, no need to find out the values. Next, question number 3. Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. Okay, Rohan is there, his mother 26 older than Rohan. So Rohan and mother, for example, he is x years, her mother will be x plus 26. He is having 10 years means her mother is having 36 years. Why? Because Rohan's mother is 26 older than him. The product of their ages after 3 years will be 360. After 3 years, the age of Rohan will be x plus 3. After 3 years, the age of his mother will be 29. So its product x plus 3 into x plus 29 equal to 360. So multiply x into x is nothing but x square, x into 29, 29x. Next 3 into x is nothing but 3x, 3 into 29. So it is nothing but 87. That is equal to 360. 3 9s are 27, 2 here 7, 3 2 is 6 plus 2 is 8, 87. Now we bring left side. X square, this is 32, 29 plus 3, 32x. 87 minus 360. So x square 32x subtract 360 minus 87. So this is 10 minus 7 is nothing but 3. Here 5 will be there. So 15 minus 8 is 7. Here 2. Minus 273. So it is in standard form. So it is a quadratic equation.